This is a rather recent player.
He's still playing.
Look where he's playing.
He's playing with Ronaldo. Juve, Sampdoria. Is the first club AC Milan by any chance?
It is not.
Sadio Mane plays for Al Nassr, right? With Ronaldo?
Looks like a striker or a number 10. It's not Quagliarella because he's long retired. Antonio Di Natale, one of these two. This could be Quagliarella because I know Quagliarella played for Juve. To move it along and to get a hint, let me just say Fabio Quagliarella.
Incorrect. Okay, one of these is a Premier League club.
So he was in the Premier League for one season.
This can't be Fabio Borini.
Borini played for Liverpool, right?
This is not Fabio Borini. The first club is not a Premier League club. I'm enjoying this only because this is a very recent player. Okay, I'll give you one more. I guess it's not a hint, but just a nudge.
Does his uncle fry chips in the Liverpool canteen?
You can say this guy is a one season wonder.
Was he a part of Italy's 2021 Euro campaign?
He could have been. He could be.
So the guy is Italian.
I thought we established that, no?
No, but no. So why would you hide his first club?
To throw you guys off.
I just think of Italians who came into the Premier League.
Locatelli, where does Locatelli or these guys play?
What Italian did wondrous things in the Premier League between 7 to 19?
No, but did he do wondrous things in the Premier League?
None of his other stats are wondrous by any stretch of the imagination.
Did you talk about Di Natale?
But Di Natale, you need Udinese, right?
Is the club a top 4 or top 6 club?
No.
It'd be like Dimitri Payet, random Frenchman who came into the league and set it on fire. No, which is why Fabio Borini came into my head. Played in the Premier League and was Italian.
But Fabio Borini had zero memorable seasons anywhere.
You had Southampton, Leicester City.
It's not even something random like David Santon, because I remember Santon was in Inter Milan, but I'm pretty sure he didn't come to Newcastle in 2018.
How many Italian strikers do you remember playing in the Premier League?
Graziano Pelle.
Who was the guy who looked like Johnny Depp and used to play for Southampton?
Yeah, you're on the right track now.
Anthony something.
What Andoni?
Wait. I know who he's talking about. I know I can literally see the guy in front of my eyes.
Poor man's Johnny Depp.
Andolini.
What is Andolini? How many players do you know named Andolini?
Sanglini must be Italian, right?
Mangesh is one step away from saying lobster linguini.
I think his next guess is going to be Super Mario.
Gabbiadini? Manuel Gabbiadini, are you talking about Rohit?
He was Manuel Gabbiadini.
That is correct, although his name is Manolo Gabbiadini.
Manolo is basically the manual of Italy.